Hey y'all, welcome to RNEWBBQ. I'm Richard, and this is
Nola.
My daughter. As you can see, she's very excited to be on camera today. Just like it did 7 years ago today, on my wedding day, it rained. So, happy anniversary, Dee. Also today, we received a care package along with my order from Uncle Steve. Thank you, Uncle Steve. In it, I received this hat, I received a t-shirt.
That might fit me very well.
Yep. And we also received this flag that I'll fly with pride next to my banner. Thank you, Uncle Steve. Along with a whole heaping amount of rubs that I'll definitely use up. Today we're going to use the sweet and spicy herb on some whole chicken on the pit barrel cooker. So let's get ahead and get started. We're done now. Chicken temped out at 165 degrees. We're good. So chicken looks phenomenal. We're going to go ahead now and do our taste test.
Hot. Hot, 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 hot. Okay.
Working with children. Isn't it fun?
When things get too hot when you're trying to eat something with your bare hands, use a napkin.
Tastes phenomenal. Moist and juicy. Love that Uncle Steve's sweet and spicy herb shake. It's my favorite one out of the bunch. Next up is Gator Shake. What do you think, Nola?
I love it. I want more.
All right. Here's a little piece with some skin.
Oh God.
Cheers, everybody. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day. Hey y'all, welcome to RNEWBBQ. I'm Richard, and this is
Nola.
my daughter. As you can see, she's very excited to be on TV. Crap.
TV.
Calm down. Hey y'all, welcome to RNEWBBQ. I'm Richard, and this is
Noah!
my daughter. As you can see, she's very excited to be on camera today. So, just like I did 7 years, crap, that car was loud.